What up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a brand new knife that just dropped from Kizer called the Meteora. The designer is Evgeny Bulyashev. Let's get into it. First off, the Meteora already inspires Linkin Park vibes to me based off the name alone, so gives me a little bit of a throwback into this knife. Now right off the bat, checking this out, man, these blue Canyon Richlight scales just are very striking. At first I thought it was oily, but it is definitely not. That is just the color of these scales. The look of this knife already is just, it looks like it's built for use. And I think that's what I like about this. Normally I don't like such an extreme drop point. It's like a Wharncliffe with some belly on it. You can see the designer's logo right here. And I see his logo is the star. I have some other things with that star. In hand, the Meteora just melts. As you can see, it's very comfortable, very natural position. And if you want to choke up on it, it is super easy to. All you got to do is slide your finger onto the finger choil, lock your middle finger in, and your thumb naturally rests in this beautiful ramp in here. And the ramp has got great jimping in it. That is a huge plus for me. Let's get into some quick specs with the Meteora. We have an overall length of 7.7 inches, a blade length of 3.22 inches, a handle length of 4.48 inches, a weight of 3.68 ounces or 104.3 grams. The blade shape, to me, it says drop point, but to me it's a hybrid Wharncliffe style with plenty of belly. The blade is constructed of Nitro V and is finished off with a black PVD coating. A beautiful thumb ramp, which almost gives it a harpoon shape. The scales are constructed of Blue Canyon Richlight. It is a liner lock. This is what the Meteora looks like in the pocket. The opening methods are thumb stud, which is easily reverse flicked. It also has a generous front flipper. Size comparisons with the Meteora. First off, we have the Kizer Drop Bear. And this is the original size Drop Bear, not the Drop Bear 2. And as you can see here, the Meteora is quite a bit larger. Next up, we have the Kizer Pioneer. And the Pioneer here, you can see, is just a hair smaller than the Meteora. These two almost look like they're kinfolk, even though they're not. And last but not least, we have the ever-popular Benchmade Bug-Out. And as you can see here, the Meteora is almost neck and neck as far as overall length, blade length, handle length, as your lengths go. Final first impressions of the Meteora. I think this is a great sized knife. If you have bigger hands or you like to just carry a bigger knife, I think this knife is for you. I really genuinely love this blade shape, and the action and just the overall aesthetic of this knife is absolutely awesome. I can see Kizer making this in a premium version at some point. These just dropped today on Kizer's website and most of their retailers, so if you like it, go ahead and pick one up. I want to give a huge shout out to my Anchor crew. Thank you all for being continued members of supporting my channel. If you'd like to join the Anchor crew, it's $4 a month. You get early access to videos and special members only giveaways. Thank you all for checking out the Meteora with me. I think this knife is going to be a big hit. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you all for spending time with me today, and have a good one.